Welcome to IELTS 678. In this lesson, we will look at how to answer an IELTS Speaking Part 3 question more effectively. You will hear how the same idea can develop from Band 6 to Band 7 to Band 8. Here is today's question. How can towns be improved for local residents? For a Band 6 answer, you should give a simple opinion, use clear, everyday vocabulary, and add a short explanation. It is fine to use a couple of basic collocations, but keep your ideas easy to follow.
I think towns can be improved by making public services better and creating more green spaces. For example, if the roads are cleaner and safer, and there are more parks or community places, local people will probably enjoy living there more. It can also improve quality of life.
For a Band 7 answer, you need clearer development and more confident language. Try to use better topic vocabulary and some useful collocations connected to urban life, public services, and community development.
Well, from my point of view, towns should invest more in public transport, healthcare, and leisure facilities. A town becomes much more livable when people can move around easily and still have access to the things they need. I also think local councils should focus on upgrading public spaces and supporting small businesses, because that can make the area feel more attractive and convenient. In the long run, these changes can help residents feel more connected to their community.
For a Band 8 answer, aim for fluent and natural delivery. Your ideas should be more precise and better extended. Use natural collocations flexibly and show that you can explain your point in a thoughtful way.
I'd say towns can be improved in several ways, but the main priority should be making them more convenient, inclusive, and pleasant for everyday life. For instance, local authorities could invest in well-maintained public spaces, more reliable transport, and better access to healthcare and education. On top of that, I think towns should create a stronger sense of community by supporting local events, libraries, and recreational facilities, rather than focusing only on commercial development. What really makes a difference is whether residents feel safe, heard, and comfortable in their daily routines. If those areas are improved, towns become not only more functional, but also far more enjoyable places to live.
Here are some speaking tips. First, answer the question directly. Second, add one or two clear supporting ideas. Third, use collocations naturally, not just to sound advanced. And finally, focus on sounding clear and confident, not memorized. Thanks for learning with IELTS 678. Practice this question out loud, compare the 3 band levels, and keep improving your speaking step by step. See you in the next lesson on IELTS 678.